Hello and what is going on, lovely people of the internet? It's Hoop Money here with another video for you guys today. Today we are going to be bringing you guys a Palantir price prediction video. As you can see, it's a bit darker in my room. We're bringing out that gamer glow of mine, and we are going to have a great video for you guys today. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, do all that fun stuff, and the number one thing you can do, and I reiterate this every video because it really helps me out, so pause the video right now to do this. Like the video. If you like the video, it helps spread my content to other people on this platform, so I would really appreciate it if you help me out and like the video. Without further ado, we're gonna get right into this price prediction, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, my friends, here we are. We have Palantir Technologies trading at $26.61 after hours. After hours just closed, so this is the market close for the day. As you can see, it was down about 0.5% during the normal hours and then 0.67% in after hours. We're going to do a little bit of an analysis on this, but for now, this is the price. As you can see, I only have 3 shares on my Robinhood account, but I have more on my Thinkorswim, which I'm not going to show you guys for now because it has some confidential information. So we are going to go right into the FinViz, where FinViz actually gives you some technical analysis for you. So I highly recommend this website because it has amazing features. And as you can see, it has all of these statistics down here, and then it has all of these news articles. So if you need the news, you need some statistics, and also you can even look at the financial statements down here. So this website is awesome. It has it all: technical analysis, statistics, news, and financial statements. And to top it all off, it's got some stock twits right down here. I wouldn't pay attention to the stock twits, but it's nice to see what other people's sentiment is, especially with a stock like Palantir. So as you can see, Palantir has a very strong support level right here at 22, and I actually think the stock is going to break out soon, and I'll tell you why in just one second, but we're just going to take a look at this first. As you can see, the 50 SMA right here, it's approaching that level, and then the 20 SMA, so these are the smooth moving averages. So when the 20 SMA crosses the 50 SMA, that can signal that we're in a downtrend. And as you can see, it became a downtrend right here, and those lines cross. But I need to show you guys a different analysis that I have on this stock before you get your hopes up and think we're in a downtrend, because this could be a reversal. And as you can see, if we're in a bullish pattern right here, it could very well be a reversal. So we're going to take a look at the shares float right now, and it's 1.36 billion shares, which is actually a lot of shares, which means the price action on this stock does not move as quickly as some other stocks like GameStop. GameStop, you might see a 20% day like it's nothing. That's because they have a very small float. So a stock that has $1 billion in float, that's going to move a lot slower than a stock that has 100 million in float. As you can see right here, the short percentage of float is only 4%. So that means not many people are shorting this stock, which means there are a lot more bullish people than people who are short on this stock. That's all I really want to look at right now. There hasn't been any new news since about March 12th, and I've already looked over the financial statements in another video, so make sure you check out my other videos. And if you haven't liked the video already, make sure you like it. So anyways, we're going to get into TradingView, and I'm going to show you a different technical analysis of Palantir, and this one's going to get you pretty happy. So as you can see, we have it on an hour. So each one of these candlesticks is an hour in time. And this pink line right here, that's the 200-hour smooth moving average. Right here, I believe, is the 20 or 25. I think it's the 20 moving average. But what's really cool about this is, as you can see, the 20 and the 200, they just intersected, and that can signal a breakout. And then we also have the Bollinger Bands right here, and they're condensing. And when the Bollinger Bands, they get really tight, that means it can also signal a breakout. So there's 2 breakout signals right here. As you can see, the smooth moving averages have crossed and the Bollinger Bands have condensed. So that means that's a huge buy signal, and that means there's potential for this stock to go to the moon. on. So we're going to take a look here at the volume. As you can see, recently there's been a lot of volume. It's like almost like people can't make up their mind what the price of this stock's going to be. But now that it crosses this line right here, you can see that there's a good percent chance of it breaking out. So as you can see right here, this is another point where the Bollinger Bands condensed. And look at this breakout right here. When it condenses, that is prime signal. And as you can see, the volume's coming down right here, it's prime signal for it to break out. So we've got two technical analysis signals signaling a breakout, so I think this is a very good chance of breaking out. However, I do not condone technical analysis, and no, I'm not a financial advisor, but technical analysis is not as good as some other types of analysis, and I think that technical analysis can either do you really well or it can really hurt you, and it really does take a professional trader to master the art of technical analysis. And if you day trade using technical analysis, just know that you probably and most likely will lose money. Something like 80%, 90% of day traders lose money. So I am here to tell you to invest in the long term, because that's the best way that you're going to make money in the stock market. Alright, so I'm going to take a look at some other stocks here. We've got Apex Technology, that is APXT, and I only have 9 shares on Robinhood, but I have about 90 more shares on my TD Ameritrade account. And as you can see, it was up 5.63% today and then 1.2% after hours. And I think this stock is going to continue to climb to $14 or $15 a share, and that is because it got hit really hard these past 3 months. So what's really interesting about this stock is it was trading in this channel, as you can see here, bouncing up, down, in like almost like a parallel line pattern, and it got hit really hard with the recent NASDAQ correction, and right now it's on its way to coming back up. So that's why I think it's a good stock, because I think it can definitely come back and hit not only the $15 range, but like the $16 and $17 range. So I like this stock a lot. Keep in mind, I've held it for a bit and it hasn't really done much for me, but I still like the stock. It's growing at a really fast pace, and I like the stock. The next stock I'm going to have you guys put on your watch list is Skills. That is SKLS. This is a mobile gaming and esports platform, and I happened to buy the dip on this when there was the NASDAQ correction, and this thing got all the way up. Can we get to it? To $44 a share, and then it crashed back down to 25. I got in around 25. I still think it's a buy. I still think it's a $40 stock, and we're trading at $31 now, so that's a 25% upside. Actually, no, that's a 33% upside, and yeah, that's great. That's a good return, and I like this stock a lot. Then we've got EXPI, EXP World Holdings stock. This is a great stock. It's similar to Zillow and Redfin, and it also got hit really hard during the NASDAQ correction that we saw recently. We're going to take a look at the 3-month chart right here. It got up all the way to $80 a share. I bought in at around 55, and it crashed even more, so I'm not even up that much, but that's why I'm still bullish on it, because I think it is an $80 stock, and it's only trading at $56 a share right now, so that's some good upside. And this is a great company. It's a direct competitor with Zillow and Redfin, and it's actually got this disruptive technology of having these real estate brokers on the cloud, so I really like it, and it possibly can be acquired eventually by Zillow or Redfin, so I see a lot of upside in this stock. I really like this stock, and you should definitely put this one on your watch list as well. That's all I got for you guys today. If you guys are still here and you have not yet invested in the stock market, or you have not opened a WeBull brokerage account, make sure you use the link below to sign up for WeBull, where if you deposit $100, you get 2 free stocks, and each stock can be valued up to $1,600 a stock, so that is something you can really take advantage of. When I deposited $100 to WeBull, I got $60 worth of stock for my $100 investment, so that's a 60% return right there, which is way better than most stocks can get you immediately. So I definitely recommend doing this if you haven't already. Link in description below. And if you haven't already liked the video, it's the #1 thing you can do to support me as a creator. It shows the video to other people. It really helps me out. So if I helped you in any way, if I helped you make any money, I would really appreciate it if you leave a like on the video. That's all I ask. And ladies and gentlemen, that's going to be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I really appreciate you guys watching. Peace!